Welcome to my new bird room. Straight ahead is the parakeets. Right to the left or to their right or your left is the cockatiels. All the way to the ceiling. And the window is split right down the middle. Ta-da! It's divided. And then over here is the owls. They don't go quite to the ceiling. All the way over to the edge of the closet. Now the closet is now little blind guys. And a nice shelf above. And a nice shelf above there. And there you have it. Dreams and preparations all come together, and this is what we got. And hard work. Lots of hard work.